Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're Kerry and Liam. In 2020, we bought an old fire truck from a Hutterite colony, drove it all the way from a small town in Manitoba to Saskatoon. This year, we plan to put a tiny house on top. We will document each step of the build and publish them on this channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. We look forward to sharing our journey with you. In this video, we will show you how we build 14 joist beams for the foundation of the house. Before we start, let's get Liam to explain what a joist is and how it works.
Okay guys, here in my garage, we're going to show you how we built the prototype joist. First, let's show you once again how a joist works really quick. Can you see the eye shape there? Okay. So it's shaped like an eye. Imagine if you just had like a piece of this is about 2 inches by 6 inches maybe. If you just had a 2x6 piece of lumber, it would be about this size. What engineers found out is that if you actually just remove all the unnecessary stuff in here, it's pretty much as strong but a lot lighter. And so that's what an I-beam, or in construction a joist, is called. So you have these two caps, they're called, and then a web which interconnects the caps. So on a 2x6 or a piece of wood, it's really just the top and bottom that are holding it straight. And then when you have a web in the middle, it just is a thin web that interconnects the two, so that as one stretches and the other contracts, it delivers the force in between them and prevents that. There's some other advantages to using this compared to just normal lumber as well. Like if you have normal lumber, just like a piece of 2x6, it will warp as it dries. This will be probably a lot less prone to warping, more dimensionally stable in other words. And the other thing as well is that it's potentially lighter and will allow us to get more insulation in the floor so that there's less of a thermal bridge connecting the inside to the outside.
Now let's start by cutting down the materials and get them ready for the build. Here we've got all the materials ready to be assembled. We have 28 caps and 14 webs. So in total, we will make 14 joist beams. is our first joist for the house. We have got 13 more to go.
Because this is straight, it straightened out these wobbly warped pieces. And we're going to build our floor right on top of this. So on top of like the space 18 inches apart. It'll be nice and strong. And we'll use a hole saw to cut little holes that are far apart in this so that we can send our in-floor heating through these. And then spray foam will eventually be used to fill all these spaces.
Here's 14 joists ready to go. It took us a day and a half to make all this. We have used 7 pieces of 2x6x8 lumber, 2 boards of 5/8 thick 4x8 plywood. Next step, we will put all these joist beams onto the metal frame of the truck.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you, with you. I am committed 'cause I know it's you I want. Hope I never see you go home. Oh, come along. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. Ooh, this time I wanna take it slow. I don't need my phone. I know how to picture in my mind the nights with you. I'm ready to enjoy the ride. I don't wanna die, but I could die in your arms, 'cause I don't need to live forever.
We made it! Now most of the joists at the front are all in. We are holding off on putting the beams at the back as it needs more support there. And that's what we will be working on for the next video.
I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight.
What is this? If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you can follow up what will happen next. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Just one more time.